Good morning, everybody. Let me show you where I am and where I've been living for the last few days. Yes, I am in Victoria. I am on Bear Mountain. Bear Mountain is a beautiful little subdivision up on this mountain, and it literally has everything that I need. I almost feel like I'm on vacation when I'm up here. Like it's just like a little resort. And so I love it, love it, love it up here. So it's been like 5 days since I did that video about the challenge about losing 20 pounds and monetization, and I haven't worked out until today. I've been eating clean, but I have not worked out. So I'm gonna do a quick workout and then we'll get on with the day. Oh, man. You know, one thing about working out, what I've found, is I kind of set like my goals pretty low. Like say, just for example, you know, okay, today I'm gonna go out and I'm just gonna do 10 push-ups. What happens is you go and do your 10 push-ups, but now you're already out there. So it's like, okay, well, I'm just gonna do, you know, 20 push-ups or 30 push-ups. Same with running. You know, go run or just walk a mile. And then after that, you're already out there, you know, walk another mile. And so that's why I like kind of setting my reps and everything low, making it very simple so it's easy to follow every single day. And then just naturally, you're gonna add on to that. And by keeping it simple, then you're able to be consistent at it. And with anything that you want to progress in at life, consistency is literally the key. And so the more simple you can make it, the more consistent you will be. It looks like it's about to start raining, so I better get out of here. Because we're talking about simplicity, I just want to share something with you that's really helped me over the last couple of weeks. And you know when you wake up in the morning and you've got like this big day planned, and you wake up and say it's rainy, like it's constantly rainy here and it's always dark. I feel like I have like 6 hours of light during the day. And I wake up and you know, especially on busy days, you're like, oh man, I have so much to do. Like this is just gonna be a crazy, hectic day. And you just want to stay in bed. You want to hit that snooze button and just kind of close off the world for the whole day. Well, you know what I found helps me is if I just simplify that down to one basic step. You know, forget about what you have to do that day. One step. You wake up, you put your shoes on, get outside and go for a little walk. A little walk, workout, bike ride, whatever that is. It's crazy what happens the second you get outside. The second you get outside, you're like, oh, you know, I'm ready for the day. Like it's just that switch. And so that was reminding me about today. You know, I had a lot to do today. I've got some running around to do, and you know, it's a little bit rainy this morning, but I just put my shoes on, started walking up this beautiful mountain, and it was like, oh, this is awesome. You know, I'm ready for the day. So after a workout, you need a hot tub, right? And this place right behind me has the nicest hot tub. Is that ever refreshing? See what I mean? It's like a resort. It's amazing. Oh my God, I love it. All right guys, so I just got done working out up there, and you see this bus right here, CVS Tours. Well, that's the company that I work for too. So we're gonna go see which driver it is, and we'll surprise him. I feel like when I open this door, he's gonna see me.
He's been there, I don't know, how many years has Danny been there? 10 years or so?
A great experience.
How are you?
Good to see you.
This is Gail Jones right here. He is the best bus driver that we have. That's awesome. And look at this view he was just admiring. So that's what we do, ladies and gentlemen. Transport people. Gail, if you're watching this, you're one of my favorite bus drivers, my friend. He's a good guy, real good guy. All right, on with the rest of the day. And look, I had a quick shower in my RV, right? I feel like I've been wearing a hat a lot and haven't made my hair, so I thought, oh, you know what? I'm gonna make my hair today, because you know, I'm missing the mean comments about my hair. Start putting more mean comments about my hair. I'll show you this nice coffee shop. I love it. So usually it's really quiet in here. Like, it's kind of like my own little hidden gem, because it's way up on the mountain, not many people know about it, so it's my favorite coffee shop to come to and reply to comments. The really nice thing about being in Victoria for a while is that I have Wi-Fi. Like, I know where the coffee shops are, so I can reply to more comments. It's awesome. Okay, I replied to some comments. You know, it actually kind of gives me anxiety. Like, I love all those comments. They're so nice. You guys are so nice to me. Thank you. But it gives me anxiety that I can't reply to all of them. Like, serious anxiety. Okay, next stop, I want to get an electric blanket. Because someone said that in the comments, and I was like, that makes sense. You know, you don't burn propane. I think that propane kills your battery faster, so why not an electric blanket? You know, I don't want my whole RV to be warm. I just want my bed to be warm when I'm sleeping. So I'm gonna go, I think Bed Bath & Beyond will have an electric blanket.
Thanks for holding. This is Hannah speaking.
Hello, Hannah.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Oh, I'm living the dream. Hey, do you guys have electric blankets? 12-volt electric blankets?
Yes, we do have those.
Oh, okay. How many do you have? Should I like save one, or is it fine?
Okay. What is your first and last name?
My first name is Taylor.
Okay.
And my last name is Desmond. D.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't have to spell it. It's very confusing to spell. Write it down however you want. All right.
Sounds good.
Thanks so much.
Let's go to the customer service desk. We'll have it there.
Awesome. Thanks so much.
Okay. You're welcome.
Bye-bye. Yeah, my last name's Desmond. So D-E-Z-M-A-N. It's Ukrainian, so it's actually pronounced Jamin. Was I the greatest delivery driver that ever delivered here?
Ever.
Perfect. Thank you. So I used to deliver all their product, and yeah, I was probably their favorite delivery driver. Just want to throw that out there. Also, I'm getting my electric blanket right now, and I'm really excited so I can stop freezing during the night. So this is one of those stores that I have a real problem leaving, because everything in there, I just want everything in there. But this is good. I'm excited to see kind of how much power it draws. And even if I'm like, don't use it all night, just to warm up the bed before bed, and then kind of in the morning turn it on. I'm really excited about this purchase. So this is the size of it right here. And I just wanted something small, just to warm up the bed a little bit, put it between my sheets. This is the cord here. And on my Arctic Fox, they have these charging centers. So we've got some DC power right here. Let's see if that red button goes on right there. Hey! So it's been about 30 minutes in this heat blanket. It's giving off a bit of heat, but that's not very impressive. So I'll sleep in it tonight and see if I notice a difference, but I'll look on Amazon for a better product. So I'm not gonna tell you kind of what product this is. I'll tell you when I get a good one and share that with you. It's been 30 minutes. Maybe it takes more. I don't know. I'll keep it plugged in. Anyways, as of right now, I am going to finish up doing some editing, and then I'm going for dinner and drinks. So I will see you in a second, and you get to meet my friends. Guys, I told you I have friends. Look, they're right there, emerging from the darkness. All right, everybody. These are my friends. All right, this is Stuart. Stuart. This is Amy.
Hi.
Amy, how's your boyfriend?
Oh, he's doing well.
Is he good? Okay, awesome. All right, let's go. So that's the end of the vlog, guys.
Thanks for watching.
And I hope you guys keep living that dream. Many more videos on the way. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.